In this video, we're going to talk about if it's possible to connect GameSir Nova Lite to a PS4. To be clear and straight to the point, this is not officially supported. According to GameSir, the GameSir Nova Lite officially supports only PC, Steam, Android, iOS, and Nintendo Switch. PS5 is not listed as a supported platform, so there's no official pairing method for a PS4 or PlayStation 4. Even though the Nova Lite has Bluetooth, wired C or USB-C wired mode, and 2.4 gigahertz like the dongle wireless with a compatible dongle, the PS4 will not recognize it as supported controller because Sony requires compatible controller authentication, and the Nova Lite isn't an officially licensed PS4 controller. Can you use some workarounds? Some people may ask. There are some third-party controller adapters that claim to let unsupported controllers work on a PS4. However, GameSim or GameSir does not officially support this setup, and compatibility will depend on the specific adapter, and features such as vibration, motion control, or touchpad supports may not work correctly. So I would avoid them if I were you. So that's how, or that's basically what is it about this game, sir. So as we said before, it's only compatible with PCs, Steam, Deck, Switch, iOS, and Android as well if you want to even connect it to the phones. But not PS4, PS5, or even Nintendo. Or I mean, even Xbox Series, all of them you cannot connect. So the PS4, 5 are not listed as supported platforms. So unfortunately, the connector or the controller cannot be connected directly. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.